Group 2nd KFSD, we accepted this challenge from Group 1st ASK and we sent this challenge to the Group 1st KSR.
Telling about this challenge, we want to say about Abay. Abay was born in 1845 at the bottom of the Chingiz mountain in the today's Abay district located in eastern Kazakhstan region. He was a well-known Kazakh poet, a great thinker, composer, philosopher, the founder of written Kazakh literature and its first classic. The heritage he left his nation is rich in songs and poems, translations and prose. His translations of the poetry written by Russian writers and poets such as Pushkin, Lermontov and Krylov became the national patrimony of Kazakhstan. He translated the works of the Schiller, Goethe and Byron into Kazakh language. The name of Abay is known worldwide just as Shakespeare, Goethe and Pushkin are well known in many countries because his great words became a spiritual patrimony of not only one nation but all the entire humankind.
Black of my eye, black of my eye, frame of my mind, drink never dry, love of my life. Parting is winter, your absence is sorrow. I wish to stay until the morrow between your fair arms, when the nightingale sings tarot. The corner of your eyes sparkle and they glisten. When you speak your solid words, everyone will listen. Black of my eye, frame of my mind, drink never dry, love of my life.
We are